Hi, Ashley. Sorry to not get back to you last night. I had such a busy day, I completely forgot when I got home. My apologies. Um, if I understand what you're asking me, if I understand the problem, I think what you're asking me is from the data that you gave me, and correct me if I'm wrong, and we can go back and forth on this all weekend. We could even Skype together if it might be easier for you to sort of fill me in on what I'm understanding. If the first drop time is 3.5 seconds, and it takes 3.5 seconds for it to fall 1 meter, and our goal is to change this into a kilometers per hour kind of value from what I'm understanding, okay? So kilometers per hour would mean that we want to start by putting the distance over the time because we want I know we have it in meters per second now, but we want it in kilometers per hour eventually, okay? So you're right about the 3.5. It's not as straightforward as multiplying by 60 to change it to minutes. You're actually, I'll just go over here and make like a little margin here. If you have 60 seconds, we actually want to know how many 3.5 seconds there are in 60 seconds. And the answer to that is roughly 17.14. So what that means is that you're going to get 17.14 meter fall in the space of 60 seconds, okay? I know we're still not where you want to be yet, but we're getting there. All right, so if we change this and keep going, the next logical step would be to go to minutes. And so on the bottom, we have 60 minutes in an hour. Sorry, not to minutes. 60 minutes in an hour. And so if we had what we've got here and we want to change this now into hours, then everything's going to have to be 60 of those. So for 1 hour, we're going to need 60 times as many falls. And so that's going to come out to 1,028.4 meters every hour for 1 hour. Okay, we're almost there. So now we want to put it in kilometers an hour, and that's an easy one because we're just going to divide the top number by 1,000 to change from meters to kilometers. And so we have a ratio of 1.0284 kilometers over 1 hour, or 1.0284 kilometers per hour. So if I'm not mistaken, and yell at me if I am, I think that was your first question, was how do you correctly convert to kilometers an hour from the first set of data, which was the 3.5 seconds and the 1 meter fall. Now, I'm just going to put you on pause for a minute and reread the bottom part of your question because I see some 5, 10, 15s, and I want to make sure that I've addressed everything that you've asked me, so hang on a minute. Okay, I read that over, and the first part of your email talks about a spreadsheet. And you're being asked to do some calculations there for the wind speeds of 5, 10, and 15 kilometers an hour. And so that doesn't seem to connect to what you gave me, the 3.5 seconds for 1 meter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop here with this one, and I'm going to start a new video and kind of dive into that other thing that you gave me, and I think maybe an Excel spreadsheet might even be a better way to go with that. It looks like that's what you're being asked to do. So maybe I could help you set up an Excel spreadsheet for that part and send it back to you, and then we can go from there, okay? So I'll send you this now, and then email me back and let me know if I'm on the right track, and I'm going to keep checking this today until we get to the bottom of it.